Let us consider the question number 7, square root of 147 into square root of 243. First let us consider 247 and let us factorize it. 147, factorize it, and I go with 3 tables. 3 4s are 12 and 2 will be remaining, so it's 3 9s are 47. The next step would be 7 into 7. So your square root of 147 can also be written as 3 into 7 into 7. Your 7 has a pair, so we write it out, and root 3 without pair, so we write square root 3 as it is. The same way, considering 243, let us factorize it. We have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 is 81, 81 into 3 is nothing but 243. Then finding square root is nothing but grouping into pairs, that root 3 and here 3 and here 3. 3 into 3, so square root of 3 into 3 we write 3, and for this pair we write another 3, and here this is single, so we write square root 3. So 3 into 3 is nothing but 9 and square root 3 as it is. Then considering the given question, square root of 147 into square root of 243. Square root of 147 can also be written as 7 root 3, and here 243 is written as 9 root 3, where whole number into whole number is multiplied and irrational number with a rational number multiplied. So your 9 into 7 is 63, root 3 into root 3 is nothing but root of 9, which can also be written as 3. The square root of 9 is 3. Then by multiplying we have 189. The same question can also be solved using the exponential rule. Here it is square root of 147 into square root of 243. Square root into square root. We can use a single square root, just like a power m into b power m can also be written as a into b the whole power of m. And factorization is the same. So 147 can be written as 3 into 7 into 7, and 243 is written as 5 times the multiples of 3. And by grouping, your 7 is paired, so we write once, then here 3 is paired, and these 3's are paired, and this left out 3 and the first 3 are paired, so we get something like this: 7 into 3 into 3 into 3. When you multiply you get 189. Coming to the next question, we'll go with 9th one, just because it is similar to your 7th question. Square root of 45, where we write it as 45 into 20. 45 can be split and written in the form of multiples of primes. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 5 is 45. Again 20, it's 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 is 20. Then by grouping, this has pair, and here this has pair, and this 5 and this 5 has pair, so it's like 2 into 3 into 5, where after multiplication 3 2s are 6, 6 into 5 it is 30. The simplified form, or the product of root 45 into root 20, is nothing but 30. Now coming to the 8th question, we have square root of 1.96. Let us write it in the rational form. It is in the decimal form. Let us write it in the rational form, that is fraction form. Square root of 196 divided by 100. Since here after 0.2 digits we divide it by 100. Then square root of 196 is nothing but 14, where you'll have to memorize square roots from 1 to 20, squares of 1 to 20, or you can just go with factorization method. Once again, 196 can be considered, and we can factorize as we did in the previous question. Then square root of 100 is 10. Yeah, 14 by 10 is nothing but 1 0, so after one digit place the point. It's nothing but 1.4. I hope you understood.